Hey guys, if you're having an issue with Adobe Media Encoder not working with After Effects, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to provide you with some quick and easy solutions. Now the very first thing we need to do is head over to the Creative Cloud app, and from the home screen we need to come over to Update on the right hand side here, and you need to make sure both applications are fully up to date, both After Effects and Media Encoder. And to update these applications, just simply click on Update. And then once you're fully up to date, we can then head out of this window, and we're going to come over to our Start menu on our computer and search for Run. Then tap on the Run icon, and inside of the search box you're going to type in App Data and hit Enter. Then come inside of the local folder, and we're going to right click on the Adobe folder and select Delete. And if you get this message pop up saying it can't be deleted, it's because you have the application running in the background. So you'll just need to close down any references of Adobe before trying this step. Another thing we need to check is our firewall settings by coming over to Start and searching for Windows Defender. Then tap on Windows Defender Firewall and come over to Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender. Click on Change Settings over here and then come down to select Allow another app. Inside of Browse, and we need to first locate Adobe After Effects, which is usually found within the C drive. Inside of Program Files, inside of the Adobe folder, come inside of Adobe After Effects, and then just double click on Adobe After Effects 2024. Select Add, and once you've added the application to the list, just make sure both private and public are ticked in here. And now we need to add Media Encoder as well to this list of exceptions, which we can do by selecting Allow another app. Come over to Browse and then come back one folder, and this time we're going to select Adobe Media Encoder. Come all the way down till you find the application, and then double click on Adobe Media Encoder. Click on Add, and once again, once you found Adobe Media Encoder, make sure both private and public are ticked here, and then you can press OK to save these changes. And the very last thing we can try, if that's still not working for you guys, is you can head over to Adobe Media Encoder, and to kind of work around to fix this issue is you can come over to File and select Add After Effects Composition, and then you can just select your file inside of here, and that should have now fixed the issue for you. And that's it guys, hopefully by following all of these steps that's now fixed any compatibility issues with the two programs. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.